Hello guys, welcome to your own channel Tech Air. I am Arav Patel and today we are going to make voice story in Scratch. Let's open Scratch. Okay, we are now on Scratch window. So I am going to rename it first. I am giving it name as uh, voice story. Voice story. Okay. So I have renamed it and now um, I have to add an extension to it. So go to this icon, add extension, then click on it and then find here text to speech. Okay, here it is. So now click on it. Okay, now you can see here a new icon was created, text to speech. Now here it is. Now I am going to give it codes. So first event when flag clicked. Then from here we have to start this speak. So first I am taking my characters, so I am building it and from here. So I am going to make a basketball story. So uh, let's take my take Jordan. Okay, Jordan, and second is second is Jordan mom. Okay, let's see now. Can I flip horizontally? Okay, okay, it was done. Now I am going to set it. Okay, so now I am adding a background. So my background is this baseball one. Okay, okay, it happened. And now I am going to add code in Jordan only. So first events when flag clicked, then text to speak hello mom. Okay, now let us test. Come on.
Hello, Mom.
Okay, I have to first set a voice that then no.
Meow meow.
Hello, Mom.
You can set any voice from here,
Hello, Mom.
but I am taking
Hello, Mom.
uh, auto only.
Hello, Mom.
Okay, then I am going to here. I am going here. Then I am adding here this work. Then control. Wait 1 second. No, 2 seconds. Okay. Now, oh, text, oh, text to speech. Then speak. Hello, Jordan. Jordan. Okay. Then I have to change my voice also. My voice is going to change in arrow.
Hello, Mom.
Hello, Jordan.
Okay. So I have to change this character because there is no woman's voice. So now I'm going to change it to man. Where is man? Man. Oh, okay. I am taking it. I am taking this one and I am removing this. Okay. Now I am changing its position also and size also. So its size was 150 around. Okay. And now I'm going to change Jordan here. Hello Dad. Okay. Now I am going to this print, then vent. When flag clicked, control, wait 2 seconds, then speak hello Jord find Jordan, and let's test it. First I have to change voice to 10 and let's test.
Hello, Dad.
Hello, Jordan.
Okay, it is working very nicely. So let's go to Jordan. Wait 2 seconds, then text to speech, speak what are you doing here? No, what happened, Dad? Okay, question mark. And let's see.
Hello, Dad.
Hello, Jordan.
What happened, Dad?
Okay, so now I'm going to this print, then control, wait 3 seconds. No, 3 seconds. Okay. No, I am taking 3 seconds. And now text to speech. Speak. I am here to watch your match. Okay. So now let's see.
Hello, Dad.
Hello, Jordan.
What happened, Dad?
I am here to watch your match.
Okay, I have to do 2 seconds here and now see.
Hello, Dad.
Hello, Jordan.
What happened, Dad?
I am here to watch your match.
Okay, now I am duplicating this, or you can take it from here also. I am taking it from here only. Okay, wait for 2 seconds and speak. Very nice, Dad. Okay, let's go.
Hello, Dad.
Hello, Jordan.
What happened, Dad?
I am here to watch your match.
Say nice, Dad.
Okay, it happened very well. So now I am going to go here now. Now wait 2 seconds. Wait 2 seconds. Then speak. Um, do your best, Jordan. Okay, Jordan. And now I am going to Jordan. Then controls. Wait for 2 seconds. Text to speech. Speak. Okay, Dad. Okay, now I am going to controls again. Wait for 2 seconds. Then text to speech. Speak. Best of luck, Jordan. Okay. Now I am going to Jordan. Then wait 2 seconds. Text to speech. Then speak. Thanks, Dad. Thanks, Dad. Okay. Now test. Now I am going to test it.
Hello, Dad.
Hello, Jordan.
What happened, Dad?
I am here to watch your match.
Very nice, Dad.
Do your best, Jordan.
Okay, Dad.
Best of luck, Jordan.
Thanks, Dad.
Okay, so it is working very nicely.